In this video, you're going to learn how to sneeze without blowing out your back. It might seem strange, but honestly, so many patients over the years that I've seen, their cause of their bad back pain relapse has been sneezing. And so naturally, everybody, not everybody, but most people tend to sneeze like this. And just flex at their spine and their lower back as well, and add a lot of compression on those discs. Not great, especially if you're doing it over and over and over again, and if your back is already predisposed to blowing out because of the years of bad overuse and poor posture and poor movement patterns. So this is how you're going to do it. Imagine you've got a kettlebell and you're doing kettlebell swings. Same technique as you're doing kettlebell swings as sneezing. So let me show you. I'll show you the kettlebell swing where you're hinging at your hips. You'll notice my spine is not moving one single bit. And when you sneeze, same way, stick your hips out. You're going to sneeze like this. Achoo! Stick those hips out. Not like this, but like this. Stick the hips out just like a kettlebell swing. All right, that will save you tons. Another option, which I've not been able to use in myself because it's just different, so different than what I'm used to that my brain hasn't been able to use it, this technique. But for some of you, in case it works, you can also sneeze by aiming up. If you feel a sneeze coming up, go achoo! And you're keeping your body in extension as opposed to flexing it down. Whatever one works better for you. For me, the kettlebell method is the best.